Guys, this is a bed on wheels. A very strange invention, made on the basis of a local motorcycle. Honda Hero, right?
Looks like it. And an old bed.
The Indian Air Force no longer uses this. Let's see how it goes. This is something completely new. Motorcycle steering wheel. Drive unit. Look, trapeze, how strange. Gas pedal, look. And brake. Oh, the children went to school. And this is the engine from the Honda Hero. Watch how it starts. But it looks very strange.
Wow, I have never seen anything started like this before. It works.
Why is the exhaust pipe in front? This is weird. The main thing is not to press the gear switch. This is us at first speed. That's why we're so slow. Anton, I like this reserved seat, just like on a train, even with the breeze. Wow. I like it. Now it's fun here.
Help me, I'm too weak.
Weakling.
You ate little porridge as a child. Are you kidding? Let me open this up.
Okay.
Watch and learn.
Am I a weakling?
Are you ready?
So? What? How? This is some kind of magic. Spicy. Very.
Wow.
One thing burns your mouth.
Really? Very spicy.
Just nuclear.
You have a cool reserved seat, guys.
Join us.
And as always, we gathered a bunch of people on our set.
Instructions on how to use this unit. There's a manual gearbox here.
Okay, so
Clutch and gas. Release the clutch smoothly. More smoothly. You're too harsh. Don't drop the clutch. Keep the revs low and let it go completely.
it's gas, right?
Yes, it's gas.
Let's go.
Finally. It cannot be true. Anton, speed up well. Such a strange setup. Anton still doesn't understand where the clutch is. It's been overclocked and it works. Don't forget about the brake. You asked where is the brake.
Where is it? So, lying policeman. Add a little gas, playing with the clutch. Like this. Great. It works. So guys, I released the clutch. Great. Wow, I'm already a pro at this thing. I can even steer with one hand. Do you guys see? The boys ask me not to speed up too much. But guys, how can you not speed up too much when you really want to? I want to drift at top speed. It was his first time sitting on this thing.
We almost fell. This is fine?
What is he doing?
Is this OM?
Look,
We almost fell.
he accelerated a lot because he doesn't know how to control it.
But what exactly happened?
OM was driving in second speed. There was a powerful jerk.
Oh no.
Mamma mia. Guys, we have prepared a surprise for them. Anton turned off the tap. After 30 seconds it will stall.
What's happening? What's wrong?
Looks like the engine is broken.
It doesn't work.
Generator.
Did you do this? What are you talking about? I did not do anything.
Why is he laughing? Look. How will he start this? There's no gasoline there now. It's going to be hard for him. Anton, what did you do?
So, Anton, did you enjoy driving it?
This is an incredibly strange thing, just to have fun. Honestly, I'd love to ride this.
This is so cool. Plus, it's electric. The wind blows quietly and silently. Can you hear this signal?
Yes, there is a parrot stuck there.
Look, there's even a fire extinguisher there.
Wow.
Everything is correct.
But a fire extinguisher won't help if it starts to burn.
Because lithium burns very well, we know that.
Even water won't help.
There's a spare tire here. Speedometer? Wow, there's a tablet here. Look.
Full battery.
He probably feels like the coolest dude in the village now.
Yes. Did you see that bike? Holy moly. Guys, what is this?
What it is?
This is Batman's car.
This is a motorcycle.
What a great trajectory to turn.
Why do you think this huge wheel is needed on the front? Is this for good cross-country ability?
This is for good backlash. Look how it's chattering.
Turn the steering wheel.
Look. Look at the wheel.
Horror. It works so quietly. Turn up the gas. The engine is like a Delta, just a little more powerful.
There are no front brakes.
Little by little. Why did you drive crookedly?
It's impossible to control, man.
Drive slower.
I can't.
You have to feel the volume of it. Listen to how it creaks. You're driving so crookedly.
Just look at this. It's like a liner.
They help him.
He tells them to leave him.
Leave me. Enough.
Just look. And the steering wheel won't help here. Holy moly.
Добро, no. Slow. Action content.
The boys ask me not to speed up too much. But this is so cool.
What happened at the end? Did you control it?
Did you see how crookedly I was driving?
But why?
Because of this wheel. I can't help it.
But there must be a secret how to ride it normally.
Don't repeat this under any circumstances. If anyone wants to ride something like this, this is incredibly dangerous. You saw how I drove. But my secret is that we are professionals, and only we can ride such things. Don't speed up, no matter how much you want to.
As soon as you accelerate, you will go crooked.
I saw it.
Fine.
Just smoothly.
Oh no, what's happening?
Drive smoothly.
Oh, this is a very scary thing. You know, it's a random steering wheel.
Do you hear this sound? It seems there is no bearing there.
There the wheel is simply welded into iron.
No, because it somehow rotates, but for some reason there is a strong backlash. In short, the boys are worried that Pasha will press full throttle and fly into the wall and smear across it. They are trying to catch him, but he really drives very crookedly.
Dudes, I'm glad I just made it there alive. I don't know. It's just impossible to control. Anton definitely used magic to travel those 10 meters.
Yes, they really are crazy. They created this. I'm just shocked.
Do you understand what the problem is? The rotation axis is here, and the wheel, even if large, must be here. But this is taken far away. Due to the fact that the angle is shifted, it is so difficult to control. Anton has a crazy idea.
They dig up the soil before planting crops.
Why is it rolling around in circles? They're probably spudning Anton.
Indian drift.
Do you like drifting?
This is a very cool thing. Who wrote this thing? Write in the comments.
Guys, it's happening again. We are eating. Everything is delicious. But for some reason, they watch us all the time when we eat.
This is a concert.
Guys, we're like in a zoo. They came to feed us.
Petting zoo.
Сели мы за стол с пацанами и похавать огурцы. Они молодцы. Фристайлер с меня никакой. Погнали домой.
They brought us a new vehicle, new bike.
Fake again.
Look at those ears. Why are they like this?
Cute, spinning. Now he turned his ears.
Yes.
Locator, this is great, but for some reason I'm a little scared. I feel like it's going to kick me.
All horses have adaptive cruise control and autopilot. So don't worry, you won't fall.
I think this will make me fall. Look what it does.
It's laughing.
It wants to get this thing.
Damn, but my dad was seriously injured when he fell off a horse 2 years ago. Fell off his horse and lost consciousness. Was fishing.
And the horse left, then go for a walk?
Yes, the horse went to eat and poop, do such things, and dad lay unconscious. Then they found him. I'm serious. I'm not joking. I'm just afraid that if I come here and start doing this stuff, they won't listen to me.
Pasha decided to try it himself. Choose a difficult level right away. You won't speed up.
I don't know. Imagine if the engine stops listening to me.
Shut off the oxygen in this case.
Jump.
Can you jump? And also, wait. Wait a little, otherwise it will run away.
Bus command. You say bus. Bus. Stop. For a stop. Chal.
Chal?
Start.
And push a little bit here.
Push.
Okay,
Little bit
here.
here.
While I start.
Okay.
Dono both.
Both action.
Bus?
Like this.
Like
Uh-huh.
this.
I'm worried about Pasha.
I worry about him too. It's easier with mechanical devices. You can always turn it off and on, but you can never turn off the horse. Well, there's only one way out.
Now it will run quickly.
He started to move. Kamar, calm down, Pasha.
Holy moly.
What do you feel?
Cool, but, you know, I don't feel like...
It's going sideways.
A little scary, to be honest.
Feel.
But it's pretty nimble.
Chal.
Release that. Slowly release.
I'm so scared. Guys,
Yeah.
let's go. Let's go.
Вау!
Cool feeling.
Чувство.
How do you feel? Not bad?
Пойдет?
I'm just completely inexperienced, but you and I will become friends. In short, tap on the belly, and it will speed up.
Whoa.
Guys, I found the gas button. You need to do it right. Your camera is probably shaking a lot. When you speed up, it starts to not listen to you a little. I used to think that those who go in for equestrian sports are doing nonsense, but now it's cool. Of course, I need more practice. But this is a very cool thing.
This understands you so well.
Try it, Anton. This is great.
Кто мы такие? Мы тебе отковал просто для шерифов. Риф, мы как самурай, пронцай, слушай, мне не до шуток, лучше заткните нам, ют пошел.
I think our viewers will soon learn this track by heart.
Yeah, that's all I know, to be honest. Be tough with this like a woman.
Slow down. Such shaking.
Give it a command. Speak in a deep voice and draw your bow. Pull that thing up. Pull it up.
Crap, I touched it just a little. Look, I didn't say anything. It just... At that speed it started jumping wildly. I almost fell.
Бас.
Look, this is your support group.
It was horror. Horses are not my thing. I'm better with mechanics.